Well, we've got lots to do going forward. Lots of things have been set into motion. They're ongoing. Um, and I probably do not want to list all the things. Probably the most important item is the search for a new director. Mafit Akinch and Cynthia Jenks lead that committee. The committee membership is being finalized, and in the next couple weeks, I believe there'll be a town meeting, town hall meeting or two that will discuss the plan forward. And of course, if you have nominations for the new director, I'm sure they will be anxious to receive those. So please, your input is important. Many of you know we tend to focus at lab management levels on initiatives for the laboratory. We have three main initiatives. We actually had a fourth, and that was the Center for Rare Earths and Energy Relevant Materials, which we can now say is kind of graduated, where it can become self-sustaining. We've received extra BES funding as a result of work Carl and Vitaly have done. Of course, all the ARPA-E and the EERE on permanent magnet materials, our rare earth-based materials, and of course, Critical Materials Institute now constitutes about $130 million of new funding over the next 5 years, over the past couple years and the next 5. So that initiative we're declaring to be graduated. Management will start to focus on our other initiatives, which includes materials design, discovery, synthesis, and processing. Let's see. Greener Advances for Catalysis and Energy, otherwise known as GRACE. And that's really an initiative that's mostly focused in on our chemical and biological division, with some overlap into DMSE. And the third one is Primary Research Initiative on Magnetic Resonance of the Solid State for Energy, or PRIMROSE. This is our solid state NMR effort, and I just want to highlight one of the things that we're doing there. There's been some wonderful work by Marek Pruski and Cynthia Jenks in identifying and a new, maybe it's not a new technique, but the use of a new machine, new NMR machine. It's the latest machine. I'd say it's a dream machine, really. It's not even a Cadillac. It's like a Bugatti. This machine is just so fantastic. The signal-to-noise ratio can be anywhere from 10 to 100 times better than our current machines, and it's fast. What you took hours now take minutes, and it works very much like cooking with a microwave in terms of how quickly you can get results. In fact, it does use microwaves, so it's a regular NMR with microwaves. And so you can insert samples, get your data. It's fantastic data. Currently, there is not a single one of these machines deployed at DOE within the complex. So we have the opportunity to be the first to acquire and use this new machine for solid state materials. And so that's very exciting. And I think the proposal goes in within the week, so hopefully we will hear something yet this summer. Let's see. As Alex said, our core scientific programs are highly regarded with BES. We've just gone through the reviews. We hope for a good outcome. And so, what it comes down to is we have a lot of opportunities that are going to happen in the next year. That are going to continue the momentum we have. We will continue to focus on that. I will continue to the tradition of the director's message. I think that's a wonderful communication tool. And so look for those. They might be in a slightly different form, but that'll be my little touch on the on those. So in summary, I guess we have lots of good opportunities coming up in the upcoming year. Identifying and putting into place a new lab director and continuing to develop our science as well as our reputation. So Lots of exciting things to look forward to. I guess before we break for lunch, if you didn't think that I wouldn't mention something about a turtle, if you know me, I like turtles. I collect turtles, mineral turtles and whatnot. Somebody passed along this quote that I thought was important to say here. It's from James Bryant Conant. He's an American chemist and a former president of Harvard University. And he says, "Behold the turtle. He only makes progress when he sticks his neck out." Well, I think we've stuck our neck out. We've got lots of visibility in BES. We have lots of visibility nationwide at the other labs and internationally. And a lot of that will allow us to continue to establish Ames as a key laboratory in the BES and DOE's mission and complex. So let's be bold. Let's strive to continue this momentum and continue to grow the laboratory. So happy to answer any questions. If not, let's go eat.